In an earlier video, we looked at how to do some basic tap repair on a tap mounted on an outside stand. Now Gary Dunbar is going to show us how to do the similar thing on shower taps.
What you need to do is make sure you turn the tap on before you start undoing the spindle, otherwise you'll find it's really tight. Always use, if you've got a square head, use a spanner on it, don't use a pair of multis. When you get the tap off, always run your finger around inside, because you'll feel a groove in the seat. And then put your reseating tool in, but don't go mad with it. Just give it a little bit and undo it, and look for the clean face. Because when you use this tool on it, what it does is brass is, when it's been used, it's dark, it's just goes dark. When you clean the face, it comes up all bright, nice and bright, and then you can see where the groove is easy. Josh, you know the relief valve on that hot water unit?
Yeah.
Do you want to pull it, the one on the bottom?
Yep.
Because what's happening
On that black,
is that tap
part.
out there's not, actually there's no bar, actually. The filings from the brass,
Yeah.
that's what you've got to stop. If you put your tap back together and turn it off now, all that'll do is dig into the washer and you're back in the same boat. So when you build your tap back up, make sure it's turned on, so when you turn the water on, it blows all that stuff out through the outlet. Now, one of you boys want to, when you first turn the shower off or tap off, sometimes it'll dribble for a while, because it's just a thing that's called meniscus, which is just excess water that'll see if I drop that, there's no water, the tap's turned off, but there's still water in that'll drain out. So that'll happen for a little while until it gets to that point that there's no water left in it. All I do is just lift it up, you know, and so that's okay now. There's some of the brass that I've been pulling out. So that's okay now. There's some of the brass that I've been pulling out.